Don't force it. Don't force it, honey. Looks great. Look how good that looks. Mmm. Yeah, really good. It's got like the chew that you want from a bagel. These are really good.
I don't know why I'm talking in a high voice.
We are back with another air fryer recipe.
These are the 4-ingredient bagels, and they're higher protein because they use Greek yogurt.
So we'll have instant bagels.
Pretty instant, takes about 15 minutes in the air fryer.
Good, I like a fresh bagel. And you said it's only like 4 or 5 ingredients?
Very simple.
And then whatever we want to put on top after.
Yeah, topping of your choice.
Cool, let's do it. We are measuring for this recipe.
For baking, you have to measure. So 1 cup of flour. We're using Bob's Red Mill bread flour. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So 1/4.
Yes.
2 and 3. 2 teaspoons baking powder. And this is what's going to help the bagels rise because these don't
There's no
contain
yeast.
yeast. And a cup of Greek yogurt.
Oh, so these are protein fortified.
They're high protein, yeah. Usually you don't get protein in a bagel.
No. Do you need some help with this?
Okay.
How much are we putting in?
1 cup.
By weight or by volume?
Don't get complicated on me now.
I'm not getting complicated. I'm just
This is
asking.
an easy recipe. Mix that up. See, that's forming a dough. And now we're gonna just lightly flour the counter. And now we're just gonna knead this.
There's a kneading involved? Do you need more flour?
Maybe a little bit more flour. Just sprinkle some. A little bit more.
You said a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
I went little bit.
A little bit more.
So you're adding flour until the stick is gone?
Do you have one of those dough cutters?
I've got this. I've got this.
Just a knife is fine, yeah. Okay, now we're just gonna divide this in 4. You're gonna help me now.
What do I do?
Roll it into a rope. I think it'll rise when it's in there, so you don't want it, then it will close the hole. You want there to be a hole, right?
No, I like the Greif style where there's no hole.
Okay, so we're gonna join the ends like this. That came together really easy, right?
Yeah. Ta-da! Now this calls for egg whitewash. That's just pure egg whites. Also 7 grams of protein.
So we're just going to brush the top with the egg whites.
Kind of good how easy that was.
And then top them with the topping of your choice. I like everything. What do you like?
Why don't you do 2 everythings and then we'll just do 2 plain.
Okay, and then we're going to turn on the air fryer. We're gonna put it at 290.
How long?
15 minutes. They're stuck.
How stuck? Don't fret, my dear, don't fret.
Those look a little wonky.
Because of how they came out.
So now we're gonna put the other 2 in. This time we have sprayed the bottom of the air fryer with Pam.
Yes, these move nicely. Those turned out good. These are cooled.
So these ones are cooled down.
These are
the
not.
everything ones. These ones just came out, so we'll cut into this one to see how it looks on the inside.
Did you make these before?
Yeah.
Did they turn out this good?
I think so.
Good job. My go-to is always some smoked salmon.
Cream cheese and smoked salmon with some capers,
Some capers, a little red onion. That's another winning air fryer recipe.
Really good, you should try it. See ya.